Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Is your Febreze air freshener flashing a blue light? That means it's out of liquid in the scent bottles that are underneath it. So if we look, there is no more liquid left in those bottles. That means it's time to change and put a new one in. Okay, so here I've got the new scent bottle. Let's take the caps off of both sides. Now this one's ready to put in. All you do is simply pull it off from the bottom, and then you're going to push the new scent on. It's that simple. And there you have it. The light stopped flashing. I didn't have to unplug it. I didn't have to do anything. I simply had to just put the new ones in with liquid, and now it's working. I can adjust it right here if I want maximum scent or minimum scent. I'll move it over here. Now you may notice this flash when you first plug it in. That's normal. It's going to flash, but then it should go out right away. Okay, so see, mine's out. Now this will rotate, but it has to be oriented up so that the scent comes out the top. You don't want it sideways and you don't want it upside down. So the plug-in should be up and down like this. That should be like that. So this is how it should be. If you've got a sideways plug, that's why it rotates, so that you can rotate it to the vertical position. These 2 points here should always be pointing up. Now there is no way to turn the scent off other than unplugging it. There's no off switch. If I go, this is just minimum. If I go all the way to the left, that's minimum, and all the way to the right is maximum. There is no off position on that switch. Now Febreze says it should last up to 50 days on the medium setting. So there's high. So there's 3 positions. In the middle position, it should last 50 days. And here's what the scents look like. There are 2 different glass chambers that have a different scent in each one. There's like a wick that draws it up. Make sure you take the caps off, and then they'll go right in. And you can even see kind of the wicks right there. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.